Hello, my name is John Clow. I'm with American Restoration Water and Fire of Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're here today to show you the benefits of using an ultrasonic line to clean your smoke, odor, mold, and Cat 3 losses. We start by unpacking the customer's contents that come from the field and putting them in baskets, setting it in an emulsifier tag that helps remove the smoke, or at least get the smoke and odor moving. From there, we send it to where the magic happens, the ultrasonic machine. We leave the product in the ultrasonics from anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes, depending on the amount of damage, the amount of soot, smoke, things of that nature. After that, we remove it, set it in our rinsing station. We rinse all the product, get it pretty, dry it down, send it through the tunnel, and then at the end of that process, we rebox and have it ready to go back to your customer. Let's go take a look and see how it all works. Here we are at our first station. This is where we process the contents coming in from the field. We use Contents Track, as you can tell by the barcodes here, and Contents Track allows us to have complete and total control of chain of custody. That's from the house to the box, from the box to the truck, from the truck to our processing plant, and all the way through our system, and then back out to our customers and your customers. Let's go on and take a look at some of the things that we do here. We use a tag system, and we take these tags, and these colored tags, as you can see, we have multiple colors. It follows our contents all the way through our line. That's from the box to the content cleaning trays, through the different stations, and then all the way back till we reprocess, put it in a new box, then we take the clips and then we roll them through the system again. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next steps. Welcome to Station 2. As you know, we have already processed the contents from the field, and now we're on to the cleaning stage. At this stage, we're preparing our contents by setting our contents in an emulsifier, and as you can see, we have some pretty dirty dishes. Notice we're not rinsing, we're not doing anything. Anthony, would you do me a favor and go ahead and sat that one in? Good job. All right, let me put this little guy in there. Sometime our plates float, sometime our bowls float, so we just take our time. So we set these from 3 to 5 minutes based on the amount of contamination they have. So we're gonna leave this for 3 minutes, and then we'll be off to the next station. Here we are at step number 3, and this is actually where the magic happens. This is the ultrasonic machine. The ultrasonic machine, unlike old systems where it was just the machine, has become a little bit more systematic. The emulsification process that we used in step 2 pre-cleans and gets ready for the ultrasonic machine. Unlike old systems where it was just the ultrasonic machine, that initial step allows us to be way more efficient, way cleaner, and way quicker. So with the ultrasonics, it uses sound at 40 hertz to get in the nooks and crannies that brushes and scrubbers do not get into. If you don't mind, Anthony, would you go ahead and set that in there? So now I'm gonna turn the ultrasonic machine on. We have it on about 50%. You can turn it up to 100% based on how hard you need to clean. You can even remove rust with this system. So let me go ahead and turn it on. It is a little noisy. There you go. Step 3. Here we are at station number 4. We've already done our pre-soak, we've done our ultrasonics, and now we have to remove any of the chemicals that we use to clean the contents. Carter, if you don't mind. Carter will be rinsing and then air drying the contents before going into our step 5, which is our heat tunnel. Please go ahead. As y'all remember, in the first group, this was part of that extremely smoke-filled and smoke-and-covered plate, one of the plates that was in that group. It's already, and we're not through the 100% process, already clean. We now just have to prep it by drying it, cleaning it, or finish the drying process and the packing process. So on to the final steps. Here Carter is finishing up the process that we started at the very first steps. We've gone through the emulsification, we've gone through the ultrasonic. All he's doing now is removing any soap or chemical that we have left on the dishes, but he's also checking to make sure that the process was complete. So he's using a rinse and then air dry. Once he's done with that, he'll go into the drying stage, our tunnel dryer, to complete the drying process and have everything ready for packing. Please go ahead. All right, guys, well, we have now gotten to the end of the process. We're removing our contents from the tunnel dryer. This is when, I hope you remember our little tag system. Little black tags have followed the process all the way through. At this point, we scan our box into Contents Track. We take pictures of our contents that are cleaned, and then we move on down with packaging and storing and/or delivery back to your customers, our customers or yours. As you can see here, we have a few minor items that would be fun to look into. We have our little flowers. We can do plastic flowers. We could do plastic vases. We even could do anything that has been kiln fired, such as this little guy right here. As long as it's been kiln fired and is not hand painted, we can clean it. If it is not kiln fired and hand painted, you have to do it the old fashioned way. I do hope you see that going through the process with us today, that the efficiency, the speed, how much money and time it saves doing it this way, and it also returns the stuff to our customers quicker. If you have any questions, please reach out to American Restoration, and thank you for your time.